Hi, it's Stuart Carter here from Howard's Hyundai on London Road in Dorchester. Just to show you a short video on this Hyundai Tucson. This particular one is a 1.7 CRDI Premium SE with the DCT automatic gearbox. It's in stormy blue metallic with the Sahara beige leather interior. Now, the car was registered 2018 on an 18 plate and is currently done just under 16,900 miles. And I hope you enjoy this video. So there you have it. This is a 2018 on an 18 plate Hyundai Tucson 1.7 CRDI Premium SE with the DCT automatic gearbox, stormy sea blue metallic with the Sahara beige leather interior. It's done just under 16,900 miles, and it is a very nice car as well. Please give me a call, or one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. Or come and visit us on London Road in Dorchester.